below. Number 4 is ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X 3D printer. In today's world of technology and innovation, the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X 3D printer stands out as the ultimate choice for all your model car printing needs. Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey of creativity and craftsmanship. Featuring a jaw-dropping 9.25-inch larger-than-life LCD screen, this printer is a true game-changer. It offers a whopping 138% more screen space than your average 6-inch display, allowing you to immerse yourself in the intricate details of your model cars like never before. With its impressive print volume of 9.6 by 7.8 by 4.8 inches, the Photon Mono X 3D printer opens up a world of possibilities. Now you can bring your wildest automotive dreams to life, whether it's a stunning supercar or an entire fleet of vintage classics. Precision and resolution are the names of the game, and this printer delivers in spades. Its high-resolution 5760 by 3600 px LCD screen and contrast ratio of over 350 ensure that every tiny detail, from the intricate curves of the bodywork to the delicate strands of hair on your driver figurines, is beautifully rendered with utmost clarity and finesse. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it.